Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the circle command. Now let's get back to the sketch. Here we have to go to the sketch, then we have to choose the plane. So I'm going to choose the front plane, I'm going to hide the top plane and the right plane. To hide them you have to just click on top plane, then hold the shift key, then choose the right plane and then just hide it. So I'm going to make a circle here and we are going to cover the parameter circle along with the normal circle. Now just I'm going to take the circle. I have taken the command of the circle and here comes the property manager for the circle. Like here, which type of the circle we are currently using. Currently we are using this type of circle, not this one. Basically these are 2 points, like 1 point and second point, and here comes the 3 point. So I'm going to make the circle here and you can see the dimension is also coming, but we can give the dimensions later on. So this is the first circle, like this is the first type of the circle. Second type is the 3 point. We have to give the 3 points to that circle. So for that I'm going to make a line like this, 1, 2, and here comes the 3. And then I will switch to the circle, and along with that this is going to be 3 point. So this is going to be first point, this is going to be second point, and this is going to be third point. So in this way we can make the circle using the circle command and having the option of the 2 point and 3 point circle. Later on, let's come to the dimension. Now, if I ask you that what dimensions does circle holds? So it holds two dimensions. First one is regarding the position and second one is regarding the radius or diameter. So we are going to give those dimension. So this is regarding the diameter. The diameter is going to be as 50. Now in case if you want to change it to radius, so you have to just go to this and double click it. Just close this. After this, you have to just go to the leaders. Then here you have to check for the radius. Like here is the radius, then diameter, and this is the linear. Like this will represent like this, but currently it is showing as an arrow. So I'm going to take the radius here and it will get reflected as radius like this. So this is how you can change the dimension for the radius to diameter and vice versa. Like if you want to have the diameter, then you have to click on radius, like double click here and then go to the leader. So this is regarding how we can give the radius along with dimension. Now again, I'm going to select the smart dimension and take the center points like this. You have to select both these points without pressing the control. Now again I'm going to give the dimension from here to here like this is going to be as 40. Now comes the trick part. Now in case like here I have given the dimensions from center to center, like from this point to the center. Now in case I want the dimension from the extreme of this to the extreme of this. So for that you have to press the shift key and then click here, then go to this circle and click here. Keep in mind that while selecting both the circles, the shift key should be held by you. Okay, only in that case you will be able to place the dimension from the extreme to extreme. Otherwise, it will pick the center position if you do not hold the shift key while making the selection. So these are the tricks related to the circle. I hope you enjoyed the learnings of circle command in SolidWorks. Thank you and keep sharing the knowledge. Do like the video if you really liked it. Thank you.